again, and today is it's coming down. You can feel it. Look, I'm trying to show you something. Look, so folks, I'm just showing, so snow, keeping, and it's not important to do that. So if you need to, please subscribe, leave a comment in the. Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Happy Sunday. Today is a day that I was waiting for. Today is snow day, guys. The snow is coming down, started about after midnight last night, and I'll be taking a walk to show you guys. For those who are not familiar with snow, I've never been around snow or doesn't live in the Northeast. This is the day that you have to watch this content. It's going to be nice. It's hazy, it's snowing. It's going to be snowing for a little while, so I'm going to take a walk and show you guys as far as I can. I'm going to show you everything. Just stand by and look. Happy Sunday again, and today is a snow day. There it is. Oops, there it is. It's okay, guys. So I'm in with enough shoes. The snow is on the ground. It's not tall enough, but I think I will, I will manage. And this is what it looks like, guys. Snow day. Let me go. I think the management will do a little bit of snow plowing here, but not gonna last. I didn't actually listen to the news last night of how many inches, but at the end of the day, they'll tell you. So this is my era, and that's how it looks like on the tree. Yeah. It's coming down, guys. It's coming down. Yeah, it's coming down. It's coming down. It's coming down. You can feel it. You can see it. It's coming down. Finding here. Don't worry, I'm good, guys. I'm good. I should be, the only thing I should have on a higher boot than this. Holy shoot. Yeah, I'm going to the tree. All right. This is what it looked like for people that doesn't live where snow falls. And I'm going to take a walk on the street to show you how our cars are covered with snow. Snow, showing the viewers what the snow is all about in New York. See it? See it? I'm gonna show you my car, Daniel. I'm gonna show you my car. Woo! All right. Oh, So folks, I'm just showing, you know. So my car here is almost covered. Yeah. Yeah. Covered. You see my license plate? Didn't cover yet. But anyway, I'm not gonna keep you guys because I'll be walking in the snow. All right, Daniel, you guys have a safe trip, okay?
Okay.
Have a safe trip.
Okay.
And when you get there, I'll watch the videos, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Take care. Bye. All right, guys, I was just talking to some friends over there in Kenya, Africa. Just giving them an idea what the snow is all about. And I will be continuing my walk here to show people what it's all about. So guys, I'm gonna, ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this Sunday morning vlog, it's not the usual Sunday morning vlog. It's all about snow and sleet here. And if you look around, the place is completely covered. And once it falls like this steadily, you know there's going to be a lot of accumulation. You know, depends on how long it continues. Yeah. Walk around the block. Put that on, gloves. So. Yep, guys, I'm walking in the snow this morning. The early Sunday morning walk. Got to have a look at what this is all about. Okay, next gets over there too. Okay, that's nice. So ever blessed travel. If you're traveling to the United States, I wouldn't recommend you coming this time of year. Try coming to the falls or in springtime. It's not your type of weather. Jamaica has bright sunshine. Yeah. This is snow and it's coming down. It is coming down, down. It is coming down. So. Mind is cleaning up the sidewalk here, guys. Yeah. Thank you, Lord. So the plaza here is empty. Really empty today. Brian. Wow. It's 7. So it's approximately 7:54 a.m. in the morning, and the plaza here is actually dead. There's no activities, no cars around, maybe one or two. Most of the stores are closed. I mean, snow, sometimes they give out snow advisory warning to people to stay off the street. Yeah. But I'm just taking a circle. A nice walk. And show you guys what's going on. Alrighty. So actually today is the first day that New York gets, in the city itself, New York State, probably get a lot of snow upstate New York, but this is the first day that New York City itself gets some snow. And people are still going to work, whether it be rain, snow, people still has to get up and go to work. You know? So these people, they're cleaning the sidewalk here, making sure nobody slip and fall. Yeah. It's gonna be a long day, folks. It'll be a long day. Well, this gentleman here is up early, mowing the snow, shoveling the snow off the sidewalk so people don't slip and fall. Take a break, man. Take a break. Take a break. I'm not turning back. She said something in Spanish. I don't know what it is. So leave a comment in the comment section, guys, if you hear what he just said. I don't understand, but I just wanted to show you guys what they use to clear the sidewalks. And again, in times like this, I guess he's Spanish, and maybe you have a situation you just want nobody to see his face, and I respect that. I do. So, let me continue. It's very dry here because there's scaffolding over here that's preventing the snow from falling here. So the snow is coming down steadily in the morning here. Oh, okay. Taking a smoke?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah, so it's so, cigarette is so addicted that even at 8 o'clock in the morning, this elderly gentleman came out to have a cigarette in the snow. It's not warm. It's not that warm, but he has to take a smoke in the snow. It's about 33 degrees Fahrenheit right now in the Sunday morning. But he's up early taking a smoke. Look across these cars, a lot of cleaning has to be done with these cars, included mine, a lot of cleaning, because if it continued this way, you're gonna have a lot more a lot more snow covering your car. So if you leave it, say, for 24 hours or whatever time, because today is a Sunday, and you get up maybe later on this evening, so the snow stop falling, and you get up and start cleaning, what happens, the snow turns into ice, so it's more difficult for you to clean it. And if you have a nice car and park your car outside, you're going to use those cleaning things, those scrapers and brushes to brush your car, and sometimes it damages your paint. So if you can clean your car earlier when the snow is very soft, it's better for you than wait until tomorrow or later on this evening so the snow stop falling and start turning into ice. It's more difficult to clean, you know, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Morning. So I'm heading up Francis Lewis Boulevard. This is a place they call Hilltop. To me, it's more like a, how you doing? It's more like it's a co-op. Over that side there is apartment buildings, and this is more prestige. It's a co-op building. We call Hilltop Village. Yeah. Alright. Oops. Can't get in that pocket. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we have to go through as New Yorkers during the winter time. This is normal for most of us. You have to come out, go to work, do your shopping, things of importance. You don't want to come out here idling or take your car outside for a spin, and it's not important to do that. So if you need to do something that is essential to you, you come out in the snow. If not, stay home, relax, watch the snow through your window, and enjoy the day with your family inside your home. But if you do have to come out, it must be for good reasons. Don't just walk in the snow. You have kids like to come out in the snow and play around. Yes, family with parents, supervision. They come out and play in the snow and run up, you know. But other than that, if you don't have to drive, you don't have to walk around. With me, I'm walking around now because there's a reason for me. I'm a content creator. But other than that, if you love the snow, you want to come out and look around and play around in a more secured area than the street, do it. But this is what it's all about here in New York City, snow. Especially this time of year, guys. Yeah. So normally on a Sunday, it's always a little always quieter. Even if snowfall or not, people, if you don't have to go to work, people stay home on a Sunday. So it's normal to see the street is quiet. Whew. Woo! Got some tree limb falling off, dangerous here. Maybe it was windy last night. Wow. Holy shit. That's I'm going in room now. Let's drop man. Something go around with me and up on the road. Alrighty, so I'm talking to myself there. Yeah, I just made a balance myself just now. It was a little bit slippery. But I prefer to walk in the snow. You have more traction than, you know. So guys, if you are watching this video, please give the video a like. If you're not from the Northeast, if you're not from New York and you're somewhere overseas watching, please, if you like the video, please give the video a like. and share this video to your family and friends and let them know that as the video tours was walking in the snow and giving you giving you a look at what the snow is all about on the sidewalks and in the streets. If you can see in the middle of the streets here, we have snow plows that comes out at night, and they actually spread salt on the major highways and the major roadways, so we don't have any accident and any kind of fatality. So the city normally sends out the snow plow and plow the middle. So you see the streets is not too bad, you know. So the sidewalks will be secondary, but the streets are something that they have to take care of during any kind of snowstorm. So let me cross over the street because I'll be heading back to oops. So that's the highway up there, guys, the highway. I'm gonna take a look at the highway when I'm done. It's the Grand Central Parkway. So let's see what's going on there by the highways and the byways. Alright, let me cross before I get my ass whipped by a car. Alrighty. It is coming down, guys. It is coming down. See how the trees are covered with snow. So if you're coming off the Grand Central Parkway here, this is the exit over there is the entrance. And if you make a mistake, you see this sign that say, wrong way, don't come this way. It seems like there's no end in sight. All right, I'm crossing the street. Snow day, guys. Snow day. Snow day, and the highway is moving. These people are. Oh God, I'm gonna go back. I'm sorry. You're in it, yeah. Okay, let's take a look at the highway and see what's going on. Not that busy. People are looking at me. They say I must be a mad guy hanging out in the snow all alone, eh? Yeah. What is this? Good. What is this? What the hell is this? Something across. With a line across there, I don't know what it is. Ooh! So do me a favor, guys. Please, hit that thumbs up button, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Please subscribe. You know, leave a comment in the comment section. For those who are not familiar with snow, or for those who are familiar with snow, what do you think? This is the first snow in the city itself for the entire year. We're going to be expecting more snow. So this is how it looks like, guys. So I'm going to be coming to the end of this video this morning, but tune into my live. If you're watching, if you missed this video, you're also going to see a live portion of the video also. So tune in, guys. And I can see somebody's shoveling snow off the car, which is what I'm going to do when I get back. Thank you. see you